All right, so tell me your big news.
I have a loose tooth, my first one.
Your very first loose tooth. Wiggle it for me. Can you wiggle it for me?
Mm-hmm.
Are you super excited?
Yeah.
How do you think you should get it out?
I think that once it's loose enough, I think I should probably suit it out with a Nerf gun.
Oh, that sounds like a solid plan. Sounds like something you do.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Yes, it is. Ooh, that thing is loose. It's very loose.
I can feel it moving around. I'm about to shoot it out with a Nerf gun. That goes really far.
It does. You're going to tie a string to your tooth.
Then tie on the other side of the string to the Nerf dart and then shoot it.
And whose idea was that?
Mine.
It was your idea? You knew you wanted to do that as soon as you got a loose tooth, huh?
Yeah.
Are you ready to do it? You're not scared? Not at all.
I've been waiting for this moment for years.
I'll give you $1.
As soon as it was loose, he told me what he was going to do with it.
I'll give you $1 if you do it.
I hope you're not a repeated tie where it gets lost in the grass.
No.
You're going to look so cute. I can't even wait.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Jude totally chickened out when he did it, Jonah. Just so you know, you're going to be the first Stratner kid.
I did.
Just made Mom pull it out.
Yeah. For some reason, no one trusts Dad to do it.
For some reason. How's a tooth in it?
Are we ready? Go, Jonah.
Oh!
Did he
come
take
out?
it?
No, it didn't take it.
It didn't do
undid
it.
It undid my tie.
Double knot it, dude. Double knot it. Now you just got to do it again.
And Dad should probably do it triple knotted. Or even, I don't know.
Triple knots.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Did it pull it out?
Oh.
Didn't work again.
Let me see. You still got a tooth in there? You little stinker.
Not still that.
Yeah. Like maybe pull his head back some.
Open date.
Is it going to happen? It's going to happen. You ready?
Slow-mo.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Come on.
Oh, it's bleeding.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
It's gonna come out this time.
Are you like Superman?
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Hey!
Hey! Oh, look at that new smile. You did it. I'm so proud of you.
Because you are so brave.
Hey, Jonah, smile. Congratulations on losing your first tooth.
Yeah, I was looking forward to that a lot.
You know, you're the only kid who's taken his tooth out like that, the only Stratner. I am completely in love with his new smile. Our next adventure will be all about our trip to the bottom of Niagara Falls on Maid of the Mist.